Welcome back to Improve Autos. If you've ever dreamed of owning a private jet, but realized you're afraid of heights, this is the next best thing. This is the 2026 Leisure Travel Vans Unity. It is widely considered the gold standard of Class B plus motorhomes. And for 2026, it's not just a refresh, it's a revolution. Built on the world-class Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, the Unity combines German engineering with Canadian craftsmanship to create a luxury motorhome that feels more like a high-end condo than an RV. For 2026, we're seeing the debut of all-wheel drive, a massive solar upgrade, and an interior so refined it puts most five-star hotels to shame. Whether you're a couple looking for the ultimate family budget motorhome investment, or a solo traveler who refuses to compromise on quality, the Unity is built for you. Today, we're diving into every detail. From the 208 horsepower diesel engine, let's see why the 2026 Unity is still the king of the road. Exterior aesthetics and utility. At first glance, the 2026 Unity is a masterclass in aerodynamics. LTV uses a vacuum-bonded, contoured sidewall construction that gives the coach a sleek, automotive look that reduces wind noise and improves fuel efficiency. For 2026, the exterior gets a fresh update with the Desert Shadow Edition, featuring stunning alpine mist paint and a black accent package that makes this rig look incredibly stealthy and modern. The utility starts with the brand new redesigned entry door. It's now integrated more seamlessly into the body with hidden hinges and the remote key fob lock. No more fumbling with keys in the rain. Around the back, you'll notice the new LED taillight design that looks like it belongs on a luxury SUV, but the real magic is in the storage. The 2026 Unity TBX floor plan features a massive pass-through gear garage with 61 cubic feet of space. That is enough room for mountain bikes, inflatable kayaks, or all the gear for a massive family adventure. The exterior also houses a standard 3,000-watt inverter and a lithium battery system that now comes standard with 270 amp hours of power, upgradable to a massive 540 amp hours. With up to 440 watts of solar on the roof, this is officially an off-grid camper powerhouse. You also get a powered, legless box awning with a wind sensor, so you don't have to worry about a sudden breeze ruining your campsite setup. It's industrial strength utility hidden behind a veil of pure elegance. Interior and tech. Step inside the 2026 Unity and the luxury part of luxury motorhome becomes very clear. The fit and finish here are legendary. You won't find any staples or cheap plastic. Instead, you get curved Italian cabinetry, Corian countertops, and ultra leather upholstery that feels softer than a cloud. One of the biggest changes for 2026 is the kitchen. A 2-burner induction cooktop is now standard across all models. This is a game changer because it eliminates the need for propane for cooking, keeping the cabin cooler and safer. The new mineral Corian countertops are stunning, and the Unity FX and corner bed models now feature a clever countertop extension drawer for extra prep space. Tech-wise, the 2026 Unity is smarter than ever. It uses the Firefly multiplex system, allowing you to control your lights, climate, and tank levels from a central touchscreen or an app on your phone. For the digital nomads, LTV has added a dedicated roof access point for Starlink or cellular boosters, so you can have high-speed internet in the middle of a national park. You also get a powered, legless box awning with a wind sensor, so you don't have to worry about a sudden breeze ruining your campsite setup. It's industrial strength utility hidden behind a veil of pure elegance. Engine, towing, and performance. Now, let's talk about the muscle. Every 2026 Unity sits on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis. For 2026, the big news is the all-wheel drive option with a factory lift. This isn't a rock crawler, but it gives you the confidence to drive through snow, sand, or muddy campsites that would leave a traditional RWD motorhome stuck. Under the hood is a 2.0-liter high-output turbocharged 4-cylinder diesel engine, pumping out 208 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque. This is paired with the smooth-shifting 9G Tronic automatic transmission. On the highway, it drives like a luxury SUV, quiet, composed, and incredibly easy to maneuver thanks to the 170-inch wheelbase. For those looking to tow, the 2026 Unity is rated for 5,000 pounds of towing capacity. This means you can easily bring along a Jeep, a boat, or a trailer full of toys for your family adventure. Safety is also top tier, with active braking assist assist, lane keeping assist, and a high-resolution digital rear-view mirror that stays clear even when the weather turns bad. For a vehicle that weighs over 11,000 pounds, the fuel economy is surprisingly good, typically averaging between 14 to 18 miles per gallon depending on your load and driving style. 2026 pricing and trims. Quality like this doesn't come cheap. For the 2026 model year, the Leisure Travel Van's Unity starts at approximately $225,300 USD. However, by the time you add the AWD chassis, the lithium upgrades, and the solar package, most units on dealer lots in the USA are priced between $250,000 and $275,000. There are 6 distinct floor plans to choose from: the Murphy Bed Lounge, the bestseller, focusing on open living space; the FX, featuring 2 separate living areas, perfect for families; the corner bed, the most traditional layout with tons of storage; the twin bed, great for those who want separate sleeping and easy access; the rear lounge features a massive rear window for incredible views; the new TBX/TB4X, the adventure-focused model with the gear garage and all-wheel drive. While the price is high, the resale value on an LTV is the best in the industry. These vans often sell for near MSRP even after 2 to 3 years of use, making them a very smart investment for your family budget motorhome portfolio. Comparison versus rivals. Why buy a Unity instead of a Winnebago Navion or a Tiffin Wayfair? The Winnebago Navion is a fantastic coach, but it feels more mass-produced. The Navion uses more plastic and less wood inside. The Unity feels like it was built by a custom cabinet maker. The Tiffin Wayfair has a great service network, but the Unity's smart use of space, like the Murphy bed and the gear garage, is far more innovative. And compared to a Truckhouse BCR or a Hyundai Santa Cruz setup, those are for extreme off-roading. The Unity is for the traveler who wants to see the country in absolute comfort, park in a normal parking spot, and have a hot shower at the end of the day. It's the perfect balance of size, luxury, and drivability. If you want the ultimate family adventure without the stress of a massive Class A bus, this is your answer. What do you think? Is a $250,000 price tag worth it for this level of luxury, or would you rather have a larger Class C for half the price? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this tour, hit that like button and subscribe to Improve Autos for more exclusive looks at the world's best vehicles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.